Ishigaki Island is the second largest island of Japan's Yaeyama archipelago. And it's going to be good morning to Ishigaki Island. We are now in Japanese waters. The first excursions are heading off now. Ours is not until this afternoon, and it's an included one. Nothing exciting, but it's getting off the ship. That's all I care about.
2 years ago. And the younger one also gave birth to a baby, 9 months of freedom. After the retirement, he had 60-year-old.
Our guide is talking about her home life.
Still paid.
Since we have 41 guests for one bus, so please come in. And gentlemen, let me introduce you, Mr. Todd. May your marriage
for longevity and happy marriage and everything. It's called Katusha. Angama is a couple.
Angama is an old couple. Dance very funny dancing. Very funny dancing.
How do you say it again? It's
when we were born, like babies start to cry.
And then
when we die, everything we close and say.
Did you see the yellow leaf?
That's what I said.
It's a big mermaid. Hiking, just a 10 or so minutes.
Look at that. Club Med is here. This is Kabira Bay. The water is gorgeous. People come to the islands around Okinawa strictly to snorkel and scuba. Great fun. There are some of those guardians, the ahs and the or whatever she said. I'd be so much happier just sitting on one of those beaches, lolling in the water, warm tropical water. It looks so refreshing. My friend Margie said the prices here are like double the prices that's in downtown Ishigaki. So if you're seriously interested in black pearls, buy them there.
I don't know what that means.
It says
I don't know what that means.
glass.
The glass is
whatever it means.
Oh, butterfly, the only yes, the butterfly. Was the ship when we came in? Sometimes
There's our ship. Right there. It is. There's our ship. Way out there. We came up here for the view. Sugar is their main crop here, and I also read pineapples. We're on the same latitude as Hawaii.
Main street, I have
We're
many
back
examples.
to
I'm
the
so happy
pier.
to live in Japan. Very much. Thank you
Just
very
found out
much.
that this is the
Arigato
first
and
time
thank
that a
you.
ship has
Minasan,
visited
meet everybody.
Ishigaki,
And
a cruise
sayonara
ship.
to
So
Japan.
we are first
I hope to see you
here.
tomorrow.
And we are departing Ishigaki. Tomorrow is Okinawa.